Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, it's January the 15th, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet. And I've told you earlier, I won't do them anymore. The Quintuplet, it will take me more than an hour. And in this daily newspaper of Saturday, January the 15th, 2022, we have here 6 extra puzzles in this additional letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, then we have a tectonic, a binary, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So what I will do is today I will solve the Sudoku Medium. Daily practice still continues. Then I will do the 3 stars and the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary in additional. And tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will continue and finish this additional with the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars and the tectonic. Alright, so let's get started with the Sudoku Medium. And this one will be number, let me go focus this, 3984. 3984. Let me put it here, 84. And before I start, I always count a printed digit. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In the additional, this will be much more easier than the 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about we see here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this big square, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, yeah. How about the 1 in the 3rd row, the 1 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. And then. Let me think. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 5. How about, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6 in this column. Yeah. So 1 digit left in this column should be the 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Then. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. How about? Yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. Oh wait, we have a pair. 1 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 1 and a 4 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 4 should be in these 3 boxes. But we also have 1 and a 4 in the middle row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so now we have 2 missing numbers in this second column. For the numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. Then. How about, let me see. 3, wait, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. All right. 8. Let me think. 1, the 2, and the 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, and look, we have 1 and a 2 in the middle row, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. All right. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle rows, and a row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle rows, and a row below. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and a 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, told you. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.